faceless YouTube channel has gained over 600,000 subscribers in just 1 year, and it's getting over 36 million views every month. If you come over to this YouTube channel, you will see 10 million views, 12 million, and even 20 million views, and making almost $10,000 to $150,000 every month by simply uploading videos with stock footage and an AI voiceover. Let's check out a video.
You're probably shocked and thinking that this flamingo is hurting another flamingo while the chick feeds on the blood. But actually, these flamingos are trying to feed the chick at the same time. The red substance that you see isn't actually blood, but red crop milk, which they produce in their digestive tract. And
what if I told you there is now a free AI tool that allows you to make the same viral YouTube shorts in just 1 minute by simply describing what you want that short to be about? Let's check out the AI-generated video.
Interesting fact about flamingo bird. Meet the flamingo, an avian marvel that's more than just a lawn ornament with a pop of color. They bring vibrancy to any landscape. Did you know flamingos are not worn pink? They get their hue from their diet of shrimps and algae. Their delicate, one-legged pose isn't a balancing act. It's their way of conserving body heat. Flamingos aren't solitary birds. They thrive in groups called flamboyances, creating a stunning spectacle. Lastly, these birds have a long lifespan, living up to 30 years in the wild.
If you spend at least 5 minutes per day, you will be able to make the same amount of money in just a few months. Because everything from script writing to voice recording, footage collection to video editing will be generated by AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make viral YouTube shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks in just a few seconds with the power of AI. The tool we are going to use is Fleeky. They have a new feature called Idea to Video. With this feature, you simply describe in 1 sentence what your short needs to be about, and Fleeky's AI will write the script, choose the footage, create a voiceover, add subtitles to the video, and even select background music. Everything will be done within seconds. So what kind of videos could we make with this tool? Well, in today's video we will try to make videos like this channel called Nature Lens. They specialize in creating informative videos about animals, and all of their videos get millions of views. According to Social Blade, this channel is only 1 year old and already has over 600,000 subscribers. So it's safe to say that this channel is making thousands of dollars. Let's check out one more video.
it's pretty unexpected that one of the most intelligent animals in the world has been labeled as evil and bad omen. Meet crow, or corvids in general. They are mischievous, playful.
As you can see, these videos consist of stock footage, an AI voiceover, subtitles, and background music, all of which we can easily do using AI. So let's get started. First, click the link below this video, and you will come to this page. To use this AI tool, you need to create a free account. To do that, click on Sign Up, and then click on Continue with Google, and you will be redirected to this page. If you want to know more about Fleeky, you can watch a tutorial by clicking here. To make a video, click on New File, and select what you want, a video or only audio. I am going to select video. Now select your video language. Then select the dialect. I am going to select the United Kingdom, and write a file name. Then click on Submit, and you will be redirected to this page. From here you can choose the best background music for your channel from the stock library. Also, you can upload your own music for your computer. This is scene 1. Here you can do everything manually. You can write your script, select the best voiceover, both male and female, and choose stock footages according to your script. However, we don't want to do it manually, of course, so let's delete this. Now go to Convert in the top right corner, and choose the Idea to Video feature. Here you can insert the topic you want your video to be about. It can be as simple as amazing facts about crows. Now you can choose the length of the video, and then select the video style. You can choose any style according to your video. I am going to choose Explainer, and then click on Submit. Within a few seconds, Fleeky has made an amazing short. As you can see, Fleeky's AI has created 7 scenes, all with their own text, footage, and voiceover. What we want to do now is go to Settings, set the aspect ratio to Portrait, and hit Save. Now let's open the video.
Amazing fact about crows. Meet the crow, nature's misunderstood genius. Often overlooked, these birds possess an intelligence level that rivals primates. Imagine a bird using
As you can see, the subtitle quality is not good. Let's change something manually. To do that, click on any text, and you will find this setting option. First we need set the position. I'm going to place the subtitles in the middle, and then change the font to Oswald. Then select the font size. I am going to select large, and set the display to Word. This way the subtitles will be shown word by word and not in entire sentences. Lastly, I'm going to change the color to a bright yellow so it stands out more. I'm going to leave the background color black but set the opacity to 70%. This will give the black background color of the text a slightly see-through effect, which looks very nice. Finally, you need to select apply to similar layers, so the changes you made to the subtitles will be applied to the entire video. Alright, now let's have a look. And keep in mind I haven't changed anything except the aspect ratio and the subtitle settings.
Amazing fact about crows. Meet the crow, nature's misunderstood genius. Often overlooked, these birds possess an intelligence level that rivals primates. Imagine a bird using tools.
Alright, in my opinion this is already extremely impressive. However, the most important factor that makes your short go viral is the retention rate. This shows how much on average people have watched the video. I have a special trick for you on how you can boost your retention rate within Fleeky. But before that, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's free for you and helps me a lot. Let's talk about how to increase your shorts retention rate up to 200%. If everybody would watch your short twice, you would have a 200% retention rate. So to keep the retention high, you need to make the short highly engaging. First, what I would do, definitely in the first part, is switch up the footage a lot more. You can do this by adding a scene and copying the text you want to have in this separate scene. Then you can manually add footage to the scene by selecting the image icon and searching for something you think that matches the scene and selecting it. Now for the special trick to boost retention. What you're going to do is select a scene. Here you can now select a layer. Then you're going to select picture in picture. As you can see in the top right corner, a gray block has now appeared. You can fill this block with an extra video or a GIF. Fleeky has collaborated with Giphy, which is one of the largest databases of GIFs. GIFs are mostly funny short looping clips, and therefore, they are a great way to boost the retention for shorts. So you must add some GIFs to your video. Let's open the video.
Amazing fact about crows. Meet the crow, nature's misunderstood genius, often overlooked.
This is a female voice, but I want a male voiceover, so we need to change the voiceover. To do that, click here, and you will find lots of free and premium voices. If you have a premium account, you will be able to use some amazing voices. Since I have a premium account, I can use any of these voices. If you want to buy a premium account, you can use my promo code for a special discount. If you are using the free account, you won't be able to use all the voices, and you have a limited selection of footage you can use. However, it's definitely enough for you to make a few great videos. Fleeky has one of the most impressive selections of AI voices. They have voices in more than 75 languages and with a lot of different dialects, so I would like to choose a male voice with a United Kingdom accent. When you have found one you like, you are going to click on Apply this voice to all the voiceovers, and hit Select. And now the video is done. Let's have a look at the final result.
Amazing fact about crows. Meet the crow, nature's misunderstood genius, often overlooked. These birds possess an intelligence level that rivals primates. Imagine a bird using tools. Yes, crows can manipulating objects to access food.
So if you would like to easily make viral YouTube shorts, I would suggest you check out the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.